Greetings and salutations. Welcome to another KillerSites.com video tutorial. In this next tutorial, what we're going to be looking at is how to take all of our designs from our CSS layout video, which was an earlier title, and we're going to look at some other elements of working with CSS, in particular using CSS to style lists and to create navigational bars. And this is something that you'll see oftentimes in very many different examples, different websites. There's a lot of different ways that you can do this, but one of the easiest ways, without having to resort to working with JavaScript or anything else, is to work with CSS. And even over and above just changing the background color of your links inside of a navigational element, you will be learning also how to work with some images and how to substitute background images in place of colors. And you can, take your Photoshop wizardry and bring them into your designs and do all kinds of really interesting things with them. So we're going to be concentrating first and foremost on working with a vertical navigational element, right? Looking at links, working with them in a vertical nav bar, but we'll eventually be moving on in later video tutorials into how to create a horizontal navigation bar. So there's a lot of ways that we can do this and a lot of ways that we'll be exploring how to do this with CSS. And as you can tell, just by looking at the screen here, I'll be working inside of Dreamweaver. This particular version is Dreamweaver CS5. You can be working with any version of Dreamweaver that you might have, because if it's compatible with CSS, then you'll be able to do any of the things that I'll be showing you how to do in the next sequence of video tutorials. So stick around. We're going to learn a lot of things, and you'll be able to implement those into your designs as soon as you get through with this tutorial.